Hi, my name is Siddharth Prabhakaran. I was born in the city of Alappuzha, which is in the state of Kerala from India. The languages I speak are Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Hindi, and English. At Stevens, I am currently pursuing my Master of Science in Computer Science, and I'll be graduating in May 2024. At Hanlon Labs, I work on the web development tasks related to the lab's website and also help with creating content for the social media handles. I completed my undergrad in electronics and communication engineering and graduated in the year 2020. And for 2 years, I was working as a business operations associate at ZS. The one thing I really enjoyed about my work experience was working with different technologies and getting a good understanding of how the corporate world works.
Hi, I'm Yash Karvari. I'm here, Masters in Data Science student here at Stevens Institute of Technology, and I basically reside from India, back in from the state of Maharashtra. So currently, I'm in my second semester here, and I work as a lab assistant here at Hanlon. I work on a research project here under Professor Dragas to rank analysts and perform EPS estimates based on machine learning models.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Sahu. I am from Nagpur, from the state of Maharashtra, India. The languages I speak are Hindi and English. At Stevens Institute of Technology, I am currently pursuing my Masters of Science in Computer Science. Back in India, I did my Bachelor's of Engineering in Information Technology from Manipal University, Jaipur. At the Hanlon Lab, I'll be working under the Web and Media team, where I'll be basically editing the videos and handling the social media handles for the lab. I bring industrial experience as a software developer, where I've worked mainly with Java-based frameworks like Spring Boot and Hibernate, and have hands-on experience on various front-end technologies like Angular and Node.js. In addition to my software development skills, I am deeply passionate about the field of generative AI, mainly large language models and prompt engineering. My skills include building AI copilots and assistants using the power of large language models along with prompt engineering.
Hi, my name is Vincent. I am a first year financial engineering master's student here. I also did my undergraduate here at Stevens. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. So I am a new lab assistant here at the Hanlon Lab, but I've been pretty involved in the Stevens community for a little bit. So I was a part of the varsity swim team for 3 years as an undergraduate here. And I was also a part of the Stevens Student Managed Investment Fund for a year. So a little bit of a educational background and a little bit of work experience background. So I've done my undergrad in computer science, and I just graduated last semester. And this semester I'm starting off as a financial engineering master's student. In terms of like work experience, I've interned as data science and software engineering interns at several financial firms, and the past summer I interned at UBS.
My name is Will Porcello. I was born in the United States, specifically Colorado, and I moved to New Jersey like 11 years ago. I'm pursuing a Master's of Financial Engineering at Stevens, and I'm currently working in the lab as part of the database handling team, kind of just handling data requests and any projects related to maintaining our databases through the Hanlon Lab. This past spring, I completed my undergraduate degree in quantitative finance. Probably my favorite thing about that would honestly be the math classes, which most people wouldn't agree with, but kind of all of the learning I took away from those classes and interacting with a lot of the professors, it kind of helped me decide to continue with the Masters of Financial Engineering.
Hi, my name is Riddhi Mahesh Dange. I am 23 years old. I was born in Nagpur. However, I've spent most of my life in Mumbai. I speak languages such as English, Hindi and Marathi. I'm a graduate student in computer science at Stevens, and I work in the web and media team at Hanlon Financial Systems Center. I came to Stevens in fall of 2022 and I started working in Hanlon in summer 2023. I've completed my undergrad degree from University of Mumbai in information technology, and I think my undergrad helped me a lot in my career as well as my personal growth. During my undergrad, I have learned a lot in academics about a lot of fields such as AI, machine learning, data science, as well as software development, which is again my goal at the end. And apart from that, I've also been involved in various activities. I served as a president of a departmental committee during my undergrad, which has helped me in public speaking, in project management, and all the other fields.
Hello everyone, I'm Harika Rachavelpula. I'm from Hyderabad, which is in India, and I speak three languages, namely Telugu, Hindi, and English. I pursue my master's in financial engineering at Stevens Institute of Technology, and I also work as a lab assistant here at Hanlon Lab. I pursue my master's in financial engineering at Stevens Institute of Technology, and I also work as a lab assistant here at Hanlon Lab. And my responsibilities include working with the media team and the data team. With the media team, I'm currently planning to redesign the whole website of the lab, and also as the data in the data team, I pull the data and manage all the requests. Coming to my educational background, I had done my undergrad in computer science and engineering, and now I'm pursuing my master's in financial engineering. And my work experiences include Hanlon Lab. So this is my first job, and this and it's also very special to me.
My hobbies are swimming, cooking, and watching movies. During my free time, enjoy going for a swim as I feel it's very relaxing sometimes. And other times, I just like staying at home, cooking delicious meals like chicken or paneer curry, and just watching a good movie at home.
When I'm not involved in the academy and research, I have a knack for cooking different cuisines. My signature dish is Hyderabadi biryani, which never fails to disappoint my friends and family. Also, I'm a very athletic guy where I play football occasionally.
During my leisure time, I like to play video games. Playing video games is something that I had been doing ever since I was a kid. I love playing video games, and that is what got me started interested in computers. And also, I like to play chess.
So I have a great passion for photography and cinematography. In the free time, I generally take my camera and explore the streets and randomly click pictures. This helps me feel good about myself and helps to think more creatively.
So, for my interests and hobbies, one of the biggest things I think I like to do is to try new things. The biggest of which is definitely like trying new foods, definitely like visiting new places, and just in general, just try new things. It's definitely one of my hobbies.
So outside of studying and work, my hobbies include playing poker, playing billiards, cooking, lifting weights, and watching movies. Plus, I play some video games on the side. Recently, I've been going through the Borderlands series.
Talking about my hobbies, I am a professional dancer. I'm a student of Shamak Davar as well as the World Dance Academy in India. And apart from that, I've also hosted a lot of events, and I've also been a part of some travel groups. I've traveled to a lot of places in India, such as Manali and everything. So, yeah.
A superpower which I desire to have is the power to look into the future. This would help me to see where I will be in the next 10 years or next 15 years, and I will be knowing that my present, whatever I am doing, I am on a right track.
So for a desired superpower, I feel like it would probably be teleportation. I feel like going using teleportation, I could just go to new places and just travel around pretty quickly and experience new things.
One superpower, honestly, I'm not that fancy, so I'd probably just say like durable skin. So if something dropped on me, whatever dropped on me would break before I did. I'm not really too big on like telekinesis or anything like that.
One superpower that I would like to have would be reading people's mind, so that I can understand the various perspectives which are out there, and how if somebody is not able to explain themselves, I would like to know about them and understand their perspectives and help them, or help myself by understanding their perspectives.
One superpower I would like to have is to be rich and oh wait, that's just Batman.
Okay, so if I could have a superpower, that would be to teleport anywhere as I can, because you can just travel to any part of the world within an instant of a time and discover and explore places whenever you want and however you want.
If I would like to have any superpower, then that would be having an infinite amount of knowledge. I think knowledge is something that's very important, and with knowledge you can achieve anything in life, and you can understand everything. And I think that's one superpower that I would want to have.
So the best part of working here at the Hanlon lab is the access to the advanced technology which you get in terms of the hardwares and softwares the lab has to offer, as well as the people working here are very welcoming and it is a very collaborative environment. So this makes me assured that whenever I need some help, I can go and freely ask to anyone without any hesitation.
So the aspect of Hanlon Lab that that I find the most rewarding is honestly just working with other people in financial projects. I've developed like a passion for finance over the past few years throughout my undergrad. So I feel like it's super rewarding helping other people, as well as just learning about new research projects that go on here at Stevens.
I think what I love about the Hanlon lab, first of all, working through it, just working alongside some of the professors I had from my undergraduate classes is really interesting. And I guess more so just working on maintaining kind of the databases in the lab and contributing to a lot of research both through for students and some of the faculty research that happens.
Working at the web and media team of Hanlon Financial Systems Center has helped me get in touch with a lot of professors as well as our alumni who work in fintech all over New York, and I've had the privilege of getting to know about their insights and their experience, and how did they approach their job search, and how are they going about things at work, which has helped me understand a lot about the field that I'm interested in. And I think that is one thing which is very unique and important here at Hanlon. Apart from that, working in Hanlon has helped me a lot with my time and project management, and basically helped me understand various skills and how I can put them into use.
What I love about working at Hanlon Lab is the fact that everyone working here is given a chance to express their opinions freely, and everyone is also asked for their inputs regarding things that are going on at the lab. I feel like this makes everyone feel very included and secure, while also at the same time giving them the freedom to express their thoughts and do the work that they feel comfortable doing.
Since I already mentioned that the lab assistant job is my first job, it's a very meaningful and a very special job for me. I learned a lot about finance and how to get started in the work industry and all of that, and I felt included ever since I started since my first day itself, and it's just a very special and amazing thing that we've got here. You get to learn a lot, and you get to work with the professionals here.
So from day one itself, I'll be starting by prioritizing my work and tasks, and this will help me to manage my time in terms of both my job as well as my academics.
As for balancing my time and commitments, I feel like the biggest thing is ranking each thing by priority and then scheduling it out. I feel like that's like the most useful way.
So the way I handle my time with work and study is I try to plan my day out, prioritizing any assignments that are coming due faster. But otherwise, I really just emphasize leaving maybe an hour for just some sort of de-stressing. And then otherwise, I try to get into the lab reasonably well and just work on any data projects I may have.
Talking about my time management, I think every weekend I start by prioritizing my work as well as my study schedule and make sure to prioritize the tasks according to the priority. After that, I do not spend a lot of time on one single task. I make sure that I finish my assignments and academic stuff, and after that, I start my work priority and make sure to complete each of them before the deadline so that I can make sure to review them whenever required.
The one way I try to manage my time between work and study is by creating a schedule to divide time between both. And doing so, I feel this is actually helpful as it helps me understand when I need to prioritize my work and when I need to prioritize my studies.
The lab assistant job is it's a very flexible job. It's easier to manage your academic commitments and your work here, and I just plan my day ahead and see where what goes, and that's how I manage my studies and my work here as well. I've never found any trouble managing both of them, and if you feel like you need some more time, you can always try to take some time off or manage it accordingly.
At Hanlon Lab, my aim is to create more engaging content on and post it on social media in order to increase the public engagement with the lab and create awareness on the social media.
So my goal here at the lab is definitely to meet new people, be more involved in research projects, and just help out with research in general.
So my main goal in the lab, since this is going to be my last year at Stevens, all I really want to do through the lab is kind of use it as a chance to sharpen my coding skills and like my my data analysis skills, and just contribute to the School of Business one last time before I graduate for good.
One goal that I plan to achieve by working at the lab is gaining more knowledge about the finance domain. As someone with a technical background, I've always believed that finance and tech are two things which go hand in hand and drive each other. While I do have the technical knowledge, I do believe that some knowledge about the finance domain will help me understand more about how tech and finance are correlated and how I could come up with different ideas to see how tech can be used in the finance domain to come up with different solutions and solving problems.
Working in Hanlon has been very insightful. I believe as I continue working in Hanlon, I want to hone my technical skills by working on the website of things as well as helping out with the data team. And apart from that, professionally and personally, I think getting to work in an environment like this right before going to the professional world out there, I think it is very helpful because we go around taking sprint meetings and always reviewing codes and everything, and I think all of this will be very helpful when I go out there and work as a full-time.